Meaning of erm.
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 Erm. Erm is a vocal filler typically used when hesitating or pausing in speech. It is a common expression in informal conversations, and is often used to convey uncertainty, doubt, or discomfort. When someone uses erm, it may indicate that they are searching for the right word, gathering their thoughts, or trying to process information. It can also indicate that someone is uncomfortable with a particular topic or situation. Overall, erm is a versatile expression used to signal a range of emotional states in everyday communication.